to PJs Learn Repeat, where nothing is better than learning in PJs. Let's begin. Today we are going to create some fun word family words to help us with our blending and rhyming. To get started, all you need are some plastic Easter eggs that you can purchase from your local dollar store. Grab a black Sharpie or permanent marker for the letters to stick to the plastic. You can write the base word or the root word on the right side of the egg. Then you can write the beginning sound on the left and be able to switch it back and forth. Let's do some together. Grab your marker and create the base word. An. A. N. You have an as the base of the word. That will be your word family, an. Now add k to the beginning of the word and you have can. K, an, can. Add t to the word and you have tan. Add m and you have man. Add and you have fan. Add r and you have ran. Okay, your turn. Try to read them. Ran. Can. Tan. Man. Fan. Ran. Try this one with the UG family. UG. Bug. Rug. Mug. Hug. Bug. Rug. Id. Id family. Hid. Kid. Lid. Rid. You've got it. Now let's try to challenge ourselves and do some beginning blends. Og is the word family. This one is og, fog. Fur, og, frog. Blog. Smog. Now you can place all your finished word family eggs in a fun little basket. Continue to practice these CVC words by hiding them outside. Come and join us. Have fun running outside and finding those eggs. You get to keep them if you read them correctly. We hope you had as much fun as we did creating these fun CVC rhyming and blending word family words using Easter eggs. Give us a like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Pjs.Learn Repeat. And remember, there's nothing better than learning in PJs. Until next time, bye-bye.